To sign up, drop in your details. Drop in your phone number. Make sure you put in your SMS code. And we're in. Now we'll put in our details. Be sure to follow through and make sure that you verify your email. And in this case, you will need to put in your tax agent number. Select the entity type. So if your tax agency is operating through a company, put company, otherwise individual. And you'll notice with company, we will need to put in a primary contact there as well. So then with the company, we can just save on that. So I'll do it with a company, but it'll work just as well with an individual. You'll then be presented with this page here where what you'll want to do is work your way through and familiarize yourself with the system by carrying out each of these tasks, i.e. adding, completing your organizational details, which would be for your accounting firm. So you'd be putting in your accounting firm details here. You can see it already. We've got James Heath as the signatory on this, and if we went and had a look, oh, okay, so we'd have to put in the address here. So why don't we just put in put in an address quickly. So we need a state. State is required for the Australian residents, and we have a state. Right, so that's saved. And if we had a look now, we should see that we have two clients in here. We've got the tax agent firm, and we've got the individual signatory. We've got the individual signatory for that accounting firm. The accounting firm will always show up here on the right. So if we went back to the settings here, we're now looking at the settings for the accounting firm. But the signatory, as I mentioned, is the contact, as in the signing person for this tax agency, and that person's details are available there or through from clients here. So if we had a look at clients here, we've got a client of the accounting firm. Now actually that accounting firm is also a client, but it isn't shown in the list because it's a special type of client, as in it's the sort of primary entity, and you can see here it'll show with all the details that you'd expect for a client, but it is, as I mentioned, the only client in the system that will have these details, as in practice type and the tax BAS agent number.